What's up, guys? Flying Falcon here. Today we are playing Jailbreak. So basically, both my friends have played it. Check out their channel. One's called Genuine Cow. The other's called Cheesecake Savage. So yep, check them out. Check this video out. Check the rest of the video out. So basically, you gotta escape. I've played this game before, because as you can see in the top right hand corner, I have a lot of money. And I've been using it to get vehicles and stuff. So guys, I'll see you when I escape from prison. So guys, we've escaped. There's a over there that I stole the car from. She was coming in, and then she went to get these other guys, so I get the car. Anyway, I know my way around the map. I'm going to go to the city first, then try and rob the train, and then we'll try and not try. We'll go to the criminal banks. So I'll see you when we're able to rob something. Okay? So guys, we got like a huge group of criminals, like criminals everywhere. See the map? Of course, out of here. And then cross the helicopter. There's music in the background. I think because they got the radio thing. So, I think that's Eminem. I think. Turn it off. I don't know. I'm just gonna wait here because right now it's closed. So I need these there because I don't know. Just I'll see you when it opens. So guys, we had some technical difficulties. I was arrested. So next on the list, rob the train. It should be easy. And basically, I'm going to rob the train. Then we're going to be going to the criminal base. So let's go to criminal base. Got a few prisoners in here, like me. Is there any place in here? No, not really. I didn't go punch your box last time I'm gonna explode the wall. Go, 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 go. No, because it can hit me, it can hit me. Oh, come on. Go, luck, luck, skill, luck, skill, luck. Luck, skill, skill, luck. Oh, luck, skill. Skill, luck. Go, 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 go. Oh, my nose is itchy. Go, quick, go. Yay, second favorite color, blue. Go. No, third favorite color. Whatever. Uh, why me? Oh, she's shooting me. She's targeting me. No! Yes! Oh! So guys, we don't have to do the criminal base anymore. Because I'm here. Criminal base. Actually, I'm gonna get a shoddy and a pistol. What am I doing? I hear the train. Okay, we gotta get to the train. I don't think I have a shotgun. There you go. I did. So guys, when you get to the train, next time you probably see me, I'll probably be my motorbike because they're a lot faster. Oh, there was a guy there. A lot faster. So guys, I'll see you when we're caught up with the train. It's really fun because there's like two criminals in one place trying to gang up on us. Yeah, the criminal base is like violent. Okay, first time to go. He really slowed me down. The criminal base just I'm faster now. Criminal base is right over here, so it's not really a problem. Yay! This can get me fast. Gotta go fast. Bye, guys. I'll see you when it's safe, and I'll see you when the train out and about. So guys, I'm just going to camp until the train comes out, and until things go away, I think I have actually. So it's turning nightfall. I'll now see you when the train is around. I died. The train ran me over. Oh, at least the train will be coming here. Oh god, I need to get there here quick. Well, I'm actually here, so it doesn't matter. Okay, here we go. You need to go up here. Train should be coming. Go stand in and shoot it. Okay, here we come. Here we go. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. No! Okay. Come on, Lassie, come. I actually probably need this. I'm gonna get a vehicle actually. I feel like getting something. Okay, guys. I'll see you when I eventually get something. Hey guys, Flying Falconer. Here I have my house. Apparently you can edit it. You can see the helicopters coming by. Um, what's this? Oh, I see. Um, strawberry. What? What? Yeah. What's here? You can hear like cars. Pacific, definitely. TV. The original TV is a no? TV wall. Wow. That one. Cool. So I now find out that you can edit your thing. Like that. Probably gonna be wasting my money. I'll see you when I finish the editing. Hello. Welcome to House Rent. Today we'll be exploring my new home. Now I modded it. I made it to my own special design. As you see here, a sitting down area where you can turn your back and see all the hectic happening. As you see, a helicopter landing at the bank, possibly to rob it. Over here, we have the desk, surprisingly close to the TV. Over here, we got an unnecessary flare gun that we don't need, and a radio box. We have our kitchen, a lovely view. We have our table that only I sit at. No one else is in my family. So, yeah, this is my bed and my TV. Thank you for joining us on House Rent. I'll see you in the next episode of House Rent. Come on, rob him. Ah, please. Oh god, that was scary. Oh god. Oh, and do what happened last time. Come on, no. Yes, 200, 250 cash, cash. Ignore the train, go, go, go. Now, guys, I'll see you when I get to the donut shop. What is this? Like, the donut shop's just over there where I'm standing. Understand. This? What is the this? Guys, if you have any idea what this is, leave it in the comments. Greatly appreciate. I have no idea what that is. Let's go over the donut shop. Look, those stuff are purple too. It's sneaking from behind. Oh, wait. That's not really behind. This is the front. Hey, sir. Hey, bad CC. I would like to order a donut. You don't have any money. Well, I'm stealing the donut. Take that. Or some vehicles in there. We'll get something done. So. I was arrested by bacon hair. That's sad. Bacon hair. Like, seriously. Let's go. So, guys, as always, I'll see you when we escape. Not as always, because this is the first episode of this game. So, I'll see you when we get out and to my apartment. So, I've got to say goodbye to my dear friends. The two TVs. The great friends. The bed. The four chairs and the table. The unnecessary flare gun and the radio. The kitchen. They've also. So, guys, I'll see you in the next episode. As always, like and subscribe to me. And, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.